Hey everybody, this is part 2 to our video because my camera decided it wanted me to shut up in the last video. But here's the purse that we did in the first one. And now you see how we did our first one here? The little rosette. Now this is a Tim Holtz die, this one here. So what we do is, and I put, for those that order for me to give them the die cuts, I included one of them with their, oh gosh, can't talk right now. I included one with their purse in case they wanted to make one almost the same size as I did mine's. And basically, if you ever made a rosette, you just kind of do the whole fan back and forth. You can cut the edges with decorative paper, however you want, and then you do your, now for this you're going to need your hot glue gun, but here is your little fan. Got my glue gun here. Excuse the children in the background, it is summer vacation. Don't know if I'll be able to escape their little voices. And so I'm going to close that in there. Sorry, get rid of that glue over there. Ooh, can't even see. I was all out of focus. Okay. So there's that part there. We want to let's see, what do I want? I probably could do the little one here. Okay, so basically, same way we do the little fold in, fold out, fold in, fold out to make the little rosette. For those that know how to do the rosette by them, you know, free hands, that's good. But for some strange reason, I've never been a big perfect rosette fan. I always tend to make them all discombobulated. So, at least I'm being honest, right? I'm not lying. My rosettes come out busted every time. There we go. Piece the bottom two together. Oops. Have to refold them. There we go. See, it's pieced together here. So what you do is you just make it into, oh no, I think I pieced it backwards. Oh, I think I cut it back. Oh no, I didn't. I did do it backwards, sorry. I was trying to hurry and cut it for video purposes, but I guess I didn't really look how I was cutting. I wanted the rounded edges to be on the outside, but it still works. So I piece it together there. Close that up here. You could take the little black circle and put it on top. Ta-da. You can put the little, layer it on top. There you go. Put that on top of there. Close that glue, glitter glue, don't need that drying up. And there we go. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute, cute. So this one didn't have any diamonds, so we're just going to adhere that one here. See right here? Then we'll get our little hot glue gun again. And make sure we get it good here. And what we'll do is we will place it right here. Make sure it's got a good seal. There we go. And ta-da! So basically all you have to do is add on here, I'll show you under here. your magnet to close it up, and the magnet here to close it up, and then there's your front. You're gonna make me some blue diamonds here, you know, add a little notebook. So basically what you can do if you want to make it, you could take these little composition notebooks, they sell them in the dollar store, and you pretty much can cover them and add a little closure, because look at this, they fit perfectly inside here once they are covered up. So you can have some matching paper and decorate these little notebooks and give them as little presents. See, but once you seal it, it'll be flat like that. See, at this second I cannot tell you, I cannot show you how I put the magnet down, because obviously I don't know where I put my magnets at, but I gotta go hunting. But yeah, so I just wanted to share with you how how the whole thing came together. Here's purse A. Let me back up a little bit here so you can see a little better. Purse A here, purse B here. You can do them any way. You don't have to do no rosettes. You can just have them closed so they would look more like this. You know, you can put the paper flowers on them. You can put paper flowers on the bottom here. Decorate them more here. I mean, the decorating part is endless, because now you have a blank slate to work with. And I hope you found this video to be a little bit educational, I guess, to help you kind of piece it if you do have the die, or if you got the pieces that I sent you, that I cut out for you, so you can know how to piece everything together. But thanks for watching. Bye.